Suggestion off the ship.
Hey guys, we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, and we are staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa. Hey guys, this is a quick little look at our 3-bedroom grand villa DVC rental here we're at Kidani Village at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Gonna give you a quick walkthrough tour. The main floor has a bathroom off the side here. It's bathroom number 1. Does have the tub. Nice large closet with shelves. Stairway there going up to the 2nd level. Another large closet with laundry basket and iron. Here on the main floor we have a living area. Tall 2-story windows looking out over the savannah. A pull-out sleeper sofa. Little dining area over here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chairs and 4 bar stools. We'll go out and get a view from the balconies here in just a minute. Balcony overlooking the living room down on the 1st floor here. Full kitchen, refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, coffee pot over there, and of course all the cups you need, glasses, laundry soap. This place is big. Toaster oven, your plates, cooking utensils. I'm assuming eating utensils down here. Dish rags. Coffee supplies. Maybe the eating utensils are over here. Nope. Let's try down here. There they are. Little ice bucket for the ice room. More supplies, a corkscrew, and other things you may need. Coming across from the living room, they do have, I won't say its name right now, but it's like Alexa. This is the king bedroom. Has king size bed, little desk area, TV, sliding glass doors out onto the balcony. This first floor balcony goes all the way across, and the upstairs balconies are 2 single balconies. I'll show you those in a second. Another large closet. Let me help if I turn on some lights. And then this is the master bathroom. Does have a TV, walk-in shower, jacuzzi tub. This would be the master suite on this end here. Going back into the main living area. We'll now go over here. Should be the washer and dryer. Yes. Washer and dryer in the unit. And now upstairs. This unit does have an entrance on the 5th floor also. The main entrance down there was on the 4th floor. So 2 ways to get in. Second entrance here. Has a little living area up here on the top. I'm not sure, this may have a pull-out sofa in this one also. Has the TV, Again, those two-story windows out over the savannah, down to the living room below. Second bedroom has two queen beds, TV, pretty much same setup. This balcony is a single balcony just for this bedroom here, overlooking the savannah. Going back across, this one also has the large closet at the hallway here. Bathroom supplies. This bathroom's a little different than the master. It does have the tub, shower. Still very nice. And across the little walkway here should have exactly the same layout for the third bedroom rather. Two queen beds. Little desk sitting area, TV. Its own private little balcony. And these balconies, while we're up here, look down on the main floor balcony, and even more important, out over the savannah. Go back through and finish this tour on this side. Again, the two upstairs bedrooms are mirror images of each other. So this one will also have the closet here at the end of the hall. Lots of area in here to store baggage, luggage, whatever you need to store out here. And the bathroom should be the same layout as the other one. Sort of similar, a little different. Got the tub shower there, and then the toilet in there. And back to the main seating area and looking down to the first floor. And that is a 3-bedroom grand villa here at Kidani Village, Animal Kingdom Lodge. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.
Suggestion of the ship.